In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a watch list in Simply Safe Dividends. By the end, you'll have a clean, dedicated place to track companies you're interested in without mixing them into any real or model holdings. First, head to the Simply Safe Dividends website. Give the page a moment to load so the navigation and tools are ready. Once you're on the site, look for the section labeled Portfolios. This is where the platform organizes everything related to tracking and grouping stocks, whether you're managing a real portfolio or just exploring ideas. Click into Portfolios to open up the dashboard. Inside Portfolios, scroll until you see the area called Play Portfolios. Play Portfolios are essentially sandbox lists, perfect for experiments, comparisons, and in our case, a watch list. They keep your research separate from any formal tracking, so you can explore freely without impacting other views or metrics. Next, select Add Play Portfolio. This is the button that starts the creation process. A naming field will appear, and this is where you'll set the identity for your new list. Type a clear, memorable name, something like Watchlist. Short, descriptive names work best because they make it easy to find the list later, and they signal its purpose at a glance. If you create multiple watch lists down the line, for example by sector or by strategy, consistent naming conventions will help you stay organized. With the name filled in, go ahead and click Create Play Portfolio. That's it, your watch list is now created. You'll be taken to a fresh, empty list that's ready for you to explore and monitor ideas in a structured way. The beauty of keeping this as a play portfolio is that it's separate from any primary portfolio tracking you may be doing, so you can use it strictly for research and discovery. A couple of quick tips as you get comfortable with your new watch list. Keep the name concise and timeless so you don't feel tempted to rename it later. If you plan to create more than one, decide on a simple system for titles such as Watchlist Dividend Growth or Watchlist High Yield so you can tell them apart instantly. And remember, the goal of a watch list is clarity. It's a focused space to observe, learn, and stay organized as you evaluate potential additions. That's all it takes. You went to Simply Safe Dividends, opened Portfolios, scrolled to Play Portfolios, clicked Add Play Portfolio, named it Watchlist, and created it. You're set up and ready to track ideas with confidence.